truck right now. Shit. Gosh, man. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Big T SRT. So today's just going to be a quick video of just, little quick vlog, but I also wanted to explain something going down. So I had a talk to Staga, and they were trying to produce. They wanted to, post a picture of my car. They were trying to produce, bring back.
What's the matter? Can't you talk? Has the cat got your tongue?
The Fender production. So they were only doing like a bulk sale though, and they were only going to bring them back if they made 10 sales. So I'm putting this out to let everyone know. I'm not sure if they're still doing it. It's been about 2 weeks since they've put it out, and I think they deleted the post. Maybe not enough sales, but hopefully we can get this back out, and then so that way they can do production of the Fenders again, so everyone can do the front end swap. Hopefully we can get some sales and get everyone, front end swap the world, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, just wanted to get on here and explain that, they were producing them again. I would try to contact them personally, yourselves, if you guys are looking for the Fenders, and just see if they're able to make them, if they're willing to make them. I was honestly trying to get sponsored for a set of carbon fiber, obviously. So if they do sell 10 of them, then I think they're gonna produce them again. But if you guys, are interested, they will fit. 05 to 2010 Magnum and Chrysler 300, easy bolt up to swap over the front end conversion for this here. So if you guys are interested, shoot me a DM, hit up Staga, tell them I sent you, and let's just try to get them back on the market. You know what I'm saying? So that way we can get there. I'm not too sure of many other companies that will make them. I've heard of and seen just the two Fenders molded together, cut and welded back together. But Staga's making them, or trying to make them. A little bit on the pricey side, but if you're willing to do it, you're willing to do it. So let's get back to it, guys. As you guys see here too, I'm gonna post more videos about it, but I ended up getting a drag pack, full drag pack set, bead locks as well. As y'all see there, back on some 305s, 305 45 bead locks, and I got the whole set. Fronts are the skinnies too. Don't mind my dog getting all in the way. What's up, dude? But yeah, I'll post some pictures of it, pictures, videos of the whole set on the car. 18 by well, obviously those are the original OEM Hellcat wheels, but I got the 18 by 5 Forger Stars, and then the 17 by 10 in the back here. So yeah, don't mind that. You guys also see that in this video too, that yeah, fuel pump went bad on my car right now. It probably won't even start right now, honestly. I was able to move it out of the garage, and then it shut off while I was running. So fuel pump is going bad in here. I need to get the tool from my homie Marcus to get it off and see what I need to order. I know I got the Hellcat pump, but yeah, I'm trying to have this thing back on the road. I need to get this pump changed out. A couple hours from home. She didn't like the drive, I guess, but I have been having issues with it, like sputtering, or not sputtering, but like while I'm driving it'll like jerk on me or something like that, feeling like it almost, I was thinking it was transmission, but now I can tell obviously fuel pump was going bad. Right after I dropped out the homie to pick up his car, we had left the spot, took off a little bit, and it sputtered bad. We stopped at a 7-Eleven to get a drink, and then as soon as I went to go start it up, it didn't even want to start. Didn't want to start at all, and then found out that the fuel pump wasn't kicking on, so definitely knew it was the fuel pump. So yeah, gotta get back on the road, get her in there. But dang, does she look good. Even though she don't run right now, she still look good. She'll be back on the road soon though. Oh, and if some of y'all may have seen on my Insta, but got the new tow rig right there. Got me a new caddy. Especially since the baby, you know, we just had the baby and moved and everything. Had to make a little big move, big purchase, not big purchase. I'm not gonna say it was a big purchase. It didn't even cost that much, but 2010 with only, it's got 168,000 miles now, but 6.2 still running strong. Not gonna lie. Only picked this thing up for 8,700 bucks, man. Clean. You know, I had to murder out the windows. Didn't go too dark, but it still looks dark during the day. But y'all know I had to. There's some what's that, midnight club stuff right here. Hey, midnight club. But yeah, she'll be back on the road soon. Once again, these Fenders, they're trying to get them back on production. They need at least 10 sales. If they don't get 10 sales, they won't do it. So if y'all are interested, hit me up, hit up Staga, tell them I sent you. Whatever, let's get these Fenders ordered. Fiberglass or carbon fiber, either way you like them. Direct fit for a 05 to 2010 Dodge Magnum or Chrysler 300. So let's do it. Damn fuel pump. She won't start. She just don't want to start. So waiting on a tow truck. I'm about 2 hours from home. Dirty slicks. Can't even use them. She won't start. Bad fuel pump. Goodness gracious. It's just hot. She's used to just being in the garage. She's too far from home. She didn't like it. But we'll get back right. We'll get back right. So we got the dirty Sprite, the purple lean. We got the Grinch, what? It's the green apple, the sour apple, and then we got, who wants some Dr. Pepper? Oh no. I'll take this over that any day. Alright, so this is the homie Marcus right here, you know. He's gonna tell y'all the world about his car right here. He just got it wrapped. So tell us about it. What is it?
2009 Dodge Challenger, on gags, wraps, custom hood, custom 22s. Really got it. 6.1 intake manifold. That's really got it.
Man, you got something special right there. Look at that. One day I'll have bags too. One day. Yeesh. Full carbon hood too. It's real carbon. And I didn't even notice all the airflow in there. All the vents that are open.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they come off on yours? Mine don't. I just gotta tape it off and paint them. Look at that color. But yeah, wait on the tow truck, guys. Ooh, let's see if she's gonna make it up there, Trevor. You think she's gonna make it?
walking.
Look at the bird behind you, Silver. Look at the bird.